Wing. Okay, this is the class secretary. Very industrious secretary. Covering her face is the star of the movie The Ring. Look at their faces. They're taking the test seriously. It seems that Professor Bakay gave a very difficult test. Valerie is serious. Michael is also serious. Saan tingin nga dyan, Michael? Please! Ay, pakita kanyang this is Jeffrey. Smell. Okay. This is Leia. The irregular students of BS Math 3-4. Where is Aileen? Monica. Tingin dito, Monica. Yan. Ito naman si Aileen. Sabi ni Mr. Paragas girlfriend ka raw niya Sabi lang niya. Ito naman si Katrina. Po-focus natin si Valerie. Ang babaeng mahilig sa PS2. Laging puyat. 3 beses lang umattend kay Professor Roland. Okay. So, mga katibayan na sila ay present sa test ni Sir Bakay. Yan na attendance. And here are the proctors. Yan, Sir Ranas and Professor Bakay. Oo, naka-on yan. Naka-video yan.